Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 61. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson we will learn about special product formulas. There are three of them, and we'll start with the first one, x plus y squared. This is the same as saying x plus y multiplied by x plus y. And like we saw in the first, in our last lesson, every element in the first expression multiplies out by every element in the next expression. So x times x gives us x squared. Then x times y gives us plus xy. And then y times x will give us positive xy. And y times y will give us plus y squared. So since these two are the same, we finally have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And this will be our final answer. Okay, let's try another example. Second formula, product formula, and that will be x, this time with a minus and squared. So this again means x minus y multiplied by x minus y. And this will then give us x times x, it's x squared. X times minus y will be minus xy. And then minus y times x will be minus xy. And then minus y times minus y will give us positive y squared. And because these two are the same, we will combine them and finally have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. And that would be our final answer. Right. And then finally, the third formula, the third product formula will be a combination of these two, x plus y into x minus y. And this will give us, again, we distribute out our expression and say x times x is x squared, x times minus y is minus xy, then y times x is positive xy, and then y times negative y will be negative y squared. And because these two again in the middle are similar, they cancel each other out. And we are left with only x squared minus y squared as our final answer. And this is considered to be a difference of squares. So when you distribute a difference of squares, sorry, if you factor a difference of squares, you have x plus y multiplied by x minus y. All right. So those are three special products that you have to remember uh, and while preparing for your exams. All right. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson then. Bye now.